Hey guys, it's Laura and it's time for Boxing Strong. We're going to be going through 5 different combinations choreographed to the music and ending with a nice leg drill. I'll be showing modifications for intensity and impact throughout. Are you ready to get warmed up? Let's go. Okay, so let's start with a shoulder roll and an arm circle. Other way, shoulder, arm circle. Okay, now let's go tempo. So shoulder and arm, shoulder and arm. Big circle. We're going to be using those shoulders a lot. How are you feeling today? Good, 2 more. Okay, now your right knee, give me a circle knee, and then a front kick. Do that again, same leg, and then switch sides. So circle it out or a crescent and a kick. Okay, so we're gonna go to your right, give me a grapevine, and then pivot the hips. 1, 2, 3, go the other way. Just bring your hands center. Good, 1 more. So you're gonna do a front kick on that right leg, switch your feet and kick back, and give me a step 2 knees, step back and squat. Now front kick on this leg. Kick to the back. 2 knees, step back and squat. Bob and weave. Give me a jab cross. Bob and weave, other way. Jab cross. Go again. 1 more. Now squat side to side. Give me 4 of them. Step wide. Now step side kick. Over the shoulder. Lean away from that kick. 2 more. So we're going to cut that in half. Squat. And then side kick. Squat. Side kick. Nice. Jab. Uppercut. Now slip. Pull the abs in. 1 more time with that. Jab, uppercut, slip. Nice job. Let's go on to track 1. Bob and weave. Take 2 steps, 1 lunge back. Bob and weave. So you get down there, 2 steps, lunge back. Now a little faster tempo. 2 steps, lunge back 3, 1, 2, 3, bob and weave. 2 steps, lunge back 3. Now your right hand, 2 uppercuts. Switch, jump forward, jog back, land softly. 2 uppercuts. Come on, use your hips. Go forward. Remember, you can step forward, squat and kick, front kick. Nice. Now 3 jacks. Set up, squat kick. Jack. Your right arm, high-low. Switch. 2 punches down center. High-low, how you doing? Switch. 2 punches. Nice. Let's start that again. Bob and weave. 2 steps. 3 pulses back lunge. Bob and weave. 2 steps. 3 pulses. How do you feel? Bob and weave. 1 more each way. 2 steps. Lunge back. Bob and weave. They go together. Lunge back. Remember your right hand, 2 uppercuts, give me power. Jump forward, jog back. And again, uppercut. Forward. Squat, front kick. Come on, get it up there. Jack. Set up, squat kick. Jack. Here comes your high-low. Switch. Punch down 2. Come on, this is the end of this. High-low. Punch down 2. Excellent. Stagger your stance. Give me a slip. Upper, cross. Slip, upper, cross. Now go quicker. Slip, up, cross. Slip, up, cross. Reach that hip with that hand. Now give me a jab, cross, hook. Jab, cross, hook. Jab, cross, hook. Get that hip with it. Let's put it together. Slip, slip, up, jab, jab, cross, hook. Slip, up, cross, jab, cross, hook. One more. Now move toward me and give me a 1, 2, 3 knee and then a squat. One more squat. Now make that part quicker. So it's 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, squat. Jump if you want. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You don't have to jump. Can we put it together? Slip. Jab, cross, hook. Triple up. Squat. You got 3 more. Toward me. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And again. Move up. One more. How you doing? Move up. Center up. Squat. Side to side. Pull back. Give me 4 x. Circle those arms. Squat again. Circle the arms. Okay, we're going to the other side. Side, stagger your stance. Slip, up, cross. One more slow. Slip, up, cross. Now speed it up. Slip, up, cross. Now jab, cross, hook. Jab, cross, hook. Now, one of each. Slip, up, cross, jab, cross, hook. Slip, up, cross, jab, cross, hook. One more time. Let's put it together. Triple toward me. Squat. And again. Slip, up, cross, jab, cross, hook. Triple. Remember, you can keep this smaller and just squat if you want. Toward me. One more. Slip, up, cross, jab, cross, hook, triple. Okay, here come those side-to-side squats. Jack, circle the arms. Squat, side, pull back, jack. All right, your right knee, knee front kick, and then reach down. Do it again. Knee, front kick, reach down. Again. Reach down. One more time. Reach down. Now. Okay, now get your invisible sword. Right foot forward. Give me a horizontal and a vertical. Horizontal, vertical. Now turn your hips, keep that core tight. We're gonna add on. Step back, diagonal. Reset. Okay, horizontal, vertical, diagonal. Can you go faster? Reset. Horizontal, vertical, diagonal. One more. Now kick and tap. Kick and tap. Now knees. Get those knees up. Quick. Uppercut. This hand. Double jab. Again. Upper, 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 upper. 2 more. 1 more. Now this way, shuffle, scissor your feet. Other way. 2 more. 1 more. Wide squat, power down. Drive down. Now go faster. 8, jump if you want. 4 more. Step in, we got the other way. So make sure you've changed your stance. Okay, here we go. Horizontal, vertical, horizontal, vertical. How you doing? Okay, let's add that diagonal. Step back on the diagonal. Reset. Just have fun with it. Let's go faster. Two more. 1 more. Now, kick, kick, tap. 2 more. Knees. Quick. Uppercut. Double jab. And again. Roll those shoulders. 1 more. Shuffle. Use those arms. How you doing? 2 more, you got it. You look awesome. 1 more. Center up. Last time, chop. Pull those abs in tight. Now quick. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2. Awesome job. Okay, take your feet about hip width apart. And we're gonna do some squat. Sit down. Make sure your hips are going back. Now give me a 1.5. So it's down, half, down, up. Do it again. Little leg drill. 1/2 all the way up, down, and up. Keep the knees behind the toes. 1.5. All right, so lunge your right leg back, back, tap in, tap back. Step all the way in, up, other way. Really get back there. Just tap the toe and keep your weight forward. And in, we're gonna go a little faster. Step, tap, back, and in. 3 more. Weights in this heel. So you don't want to shift with the back leg. And again, now we're going to step into a wide or sumo and move up. Get as low as you can. Go back. Go forward with the other leg. As low as you can go. Move back. Now feet about hip width apart. Give me that squat again. 1.5. Give me that one more time. Down. Down, pause. 1.5. Give me a side to side squat. Now drag that toe in. Really step out. Now give me 3 pulses. 1, 2, 3. Slide it in. 1, 2. Now if you want to, you can reach the hand down. 1, 2, 3. Up. Keep the abs tight. Good. 2 more. And this is your last one. So we're going to go to a lateral lunge with a hold this way. Sit back and in. And again, sit back. You should feel a stretch in that straight leg. 2 more. We're almost there. Very short. Back. Now, give me 7 pulses, lunge, back. 7. Dig the heel in. Slight lean forward. 3, 2, step in. Last little bit, lunge back. 7. How you doing? 3, 2, step in. Nice job. Are you ready to cool down? You did an excellent job. Feet hip width apart. Give me a big inhale. Exhale. And again. One more. Nice. Take those hands behind you and just open up the shoulder. A lot of shoulder. How'd you do? Take one arm up. Pull that elbow in. Now you can step in and lean over with it. Good. Go the other way. Pull that elbow in. Lean the other way. Bring it center. Take your feet hip width apart again. Slide the hands down to the thighs. Round your back. Flatten. Round. All the way up. One leg forward. Hinge from the hip. Hold that hamstring stretch. Get that leg nice and straight. Shifting that hip back. And bring yourself up. Now, I hope you had fun. Even if you didn't get all the moves right away, remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about moving your body, feeling good, having fun, without judging yourself. Bring it up. Take it over to the side. I call this the cute stretch, right? So you feel that stretch in the hip. Other way. So whatever your goals are, be kind to yourself. Be patient with the process. It's as much about the journey as it is about the goal. I know that sounds cheesy, but it's true. Whatever you can learn during the process will help you the rest of your life. So you did fantastic. I hope to see you again soon. Let me know what you thought, and I'll talk to you next time. Bye.